Trinidad has this week's Caribbean video. Here is M.E. Me.
My name be on your lips. Say I'm acting like a every time I see your face, it's just so full of hate. No matter what they say, no matter, no matter, no matter what they do, no matter, no matter, keep on moving. I'm doing me, I'm doing me, oh. No matter what they say, no matter, no way up, no matter what they do. Public enemy, I gotta keep on doing. No, you don't, let it go. Enemies draining me of this energy. I got plenty more, act like you know me. Knock on my hustle, I keep going for. I am the future, I told you before. Keep on my grind, once until I'm gone. Dead or alive, they're still gonna talk. I guess it's all about me. It's all about me. No matter what I say, no matter, no matter, no matter what I do, no matter, no, I gotta keep on doing. I'm doing me, I'm doing me, I'm doing me, oh. No matter what I say, no matter, no, way up, no matter what I do. Public enemy, I gotta keep on doing. I'm doing me, I'm doing me, I'm doing me, oh. The hate in their eyes, had enough of their lies. Sometimes your best friends could be the devil in disguise. Ray-Bans on some CM, gotta hate you for no reason. Get down on your knees, all that you need, right in your face. Just gotta read me confused. Say what you gotta say to me, to my face, but you'll never do that. Please believe I stay up, way up, public enemy. Number one, do this for fun. Act like you know me, no you don't, let it go. Enemies draining me of this energy, I got plenty more. Act like you know me. Knock on my hustle, I keep going forward. I am the future, I told you before. Keep on my grind, what's up till I'm gone. Dead or alive, they're still gonna talk. I guess it's all about me.
Kejon has this week's Keeping Fit segment. You know it's sponsored by Lasco iCool.
This feature is brought to you by Lasco iCool, iCool for life.
Welcome to another week of Keeping Fit. This week, it's all about medicine ball slam, step up, and burpees. Watch your pre-ments.
Them no inna my leg, no inna my leg. Them a hip with a little bit of money and weed, no reach somewhere. And after them a lead, no inna my leg, no inna my leg. Them too slow, them a invalid. Man full of step like a centipede, no inna my leg.
Hi, my name is Cecilia Murray. I'm a fitness trainer at Express Fitness Portmore. Today we'll be dealing with 3 calisthenics moves, and it will be done in a circuit fashion. The first one we'll be doing is the burpees. Now the burpees is a compound movement. It involves multiple joints and it works basically all the muscle groups of the body. That's a good exercise that can be done at home because it requires no weights or no equipment. Place your legs hip width apart. Your hips are not that narrow, so a little wider, more like shoulder width apart, good. Then you're going to bend the knees with the chest up and place your hands on the ground. Place your palms on the ground, so bend, place the palms on the ground. Then you're gonna jump the feet out. You're gonna jump out. Now, I want you to start from ground level up. All right, so we're gonna start from ground level up. So place your hands on the ground, jump the feet back in a push-up position. Then you're gonna jump the feet back in. You're gonna stand up and jump up now with the hands up in the air. Good. Place your hands back on the ground again. Jump out, jump back in, and jump up. We're gonna do 5 of that. So you have 3 more to go. Now, we have a variation to that move. Some persons will not be able to jump, like the beginners and persons who have issues, joint issues. So what you're going to do is place your feet hip-width apart again. Place your hands on the ground. You're going to walk out in a push-up position, walk back in, and stand up with hands in the air. Good. Another variation now is put your hand on the ground, hands on the ground again, jump out, jump back in, and stand up. That's the variation. So he's not jumping up. All right, so that's the beginner. All right, and that's it for burpees. Now we're moving on to medicine ball slam. Now, this is a 6 kg medicine ball, right? We have lighter ones, but because he's a little bit more advanced, I'm giving him the 6 kg, which is equivalent to about 13 mash pounds. All right, so what you're going to do, you're going to place your feet hip width again apart. You're going to bend your knees and pick the medicine ball up, right? Then you're going to tip up, taking the ball overhead, and you're going to explosively slam it to the ground. And you catch it, and then you're going to go back up again, tipping and explosively coming down. All right, give me 3 more of that. I want more slam. I like that one. 1 more. Good. Now what this does is it's basically works all the body parts, right? But it mostly emphasizes the core. Now this exercise basically works the quadricep muscles. That's the main muscle that works, but it also works the glutes, which everybody knows as the bottom, and it also works the calf and the hamstrings.
Now it's time to roll out the Pree Dis top 10 charts. Let's see who's holding down the number 1 spot.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Turn me back by your me nah go shut my door. You say you're sick, the church are there with the cure. Give your visa for your travel, get you ready for the tour. Yeah, ooh, me get you lazy. I saw it, do it, get you lazy.
You have a way fi work him and him nah let go. Have a way fi work him and him nah let go. Anyway him go, him have to come back to you. You know get a feed no girl because she are not tricky though. Have a way fi work him and
him touch you, but him love me. Pretend to be my future guaranteed. Him touch you, but him love me. Mispretend.
Baby, you make me high like a 5 years bag of Kiki. Customer care, yeah, that's how you treat me. Wine for me, baby, go to the beat. Sex and the city burn all calories. And if I call you a freak, we sell a V.
Yeah, I thought we up inna the road where we a go sing it up. Run inna the road, gal. Run inna the road, gal. Run inna the road, gal. It's sweet. Just tell me it's sweet. It's sweet. Just
them no inna my leg. No inna my leg. Them a help with a little bit of money and weed no reach somewhere. And after them a lead. No inna my leg. No inna my leg.
Boring gal. You say my gal. She can broke up. You a rocky broker, you know fi turn it that way. You a rocky broker, you know fi fling out your foot, then you a rocky broker. You know fi play with me body with the cocoa butter. You know fi sit down.
Let me hear you say yeah. All night I'ma make you say yeah.
So the princess got locked out of her castle. Womp womp. So this is how we end this week's show. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Thanks for tuning in each and every week. And thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, shop number 7, Manor Park Plaza for this trendy outfit. See you soon.
Baby, me love you the same man, me know what you suffer. Dolly Youngs, make we go in on the yard back. Run me down till you drop in on the grass. Well, a salad and a pile, me a baller. Pack up your lunch pan, car you want snacks. No cheese, no bun, she no ask for. Fingernail in a back, you a crabber. Me love your heart like lava. Baby, you good, I'm mad, me can't leave you. Night every day, yeah, me want see you. Only a girl out they want me feel love them. Me stick with the girl, me not leave her. Touch every day, girl, that's all we do. Out the door in the tall street, no bad feels, so when me not treat you, me and you honey, so me start busy. Baby, me love you from your band from the earth, you know. Now break your heart, now hurt you so. Real you, she want me no nerd, you know. She signed to me, she stop searching, you know. Love you from your band from the earth, you know. Now break your heart, now hurt you so. Real you, she want me no nerd, you know. She signed to me, she stop searching, you know.